Alright, so this is one of those moments where the iPhone 17 literally just came out. People are still unboxing it, still setting wallpapers, and boom, leaks about the iPhone 18 Pro are already here. That's how crazy the tech world is. We're talking about a phone that won't come out until 2026, and people are already debating what it will look like. Now, earlier leaks kind of got everyone excited. There was talk about a new hole punch camera design. Some people even started thinking, okay, this might finally be the end of the dynamic island. Maybe Apple is ready to go full screen, no cutouts, no distractions. Big dreams, right? But then this new leak dropped, and yeah, it's a bit of a reality check. According to a Chinese leaker called Fixed Focus Digital, the iPhone 18 Pro and the Pro Max are probably not getting any big design changes, like at all, especially on the back. Same camera layout, same general look, same Apple style we've been seeing for a while now. So if you were hoping Apple would flip the design upside down and shock everyone, this leak is basically saying don't get your hopes too high. Let's talk about the back of the phone first. The leak says Apple is sticking with the familiar camera setup. That means no wild new shapes, no cameras moving to the center, no crazy redesign. Just the same layout we already know, maybe with small tweaks that most people won't even notice unless they look really close. And honestly, this feels very Apple. They don't usually rush big design changes. When they find something that works, they milk it for years. Now let's talk about the front, because this is where people really care. The dynamic island. Some love it, some hate it, and some are just used to it now. There have been rumors for a while that Apple is working on under-display camera tech. That's where the camera sits under the screen so you don't see any cutout at all. Sounds amazing, right? Well, according to this leak, that's probably not happening on the iPhone 18 Pro. Apple is likely keeping the pill-shaped cutout for at least one more generation. So yeah, Dynamic Island isn't going anywhere just yet. And here's where it actually makes sense. 2027 is the iPhone's 20th anniversary. That's huge. The first iPhone came out in 2007, and it completely changed phones forever. Apple knows how big that moment is. There is no way they don't do something special for that year. So instead of dropping all the big features in 2026, Apple might be saving the really crazy stuff for 2027. Full screen display, under-display Face ID, under-display camera, something that feels truly new. That kind of upgrade fits perfectly with a 20-year celebration. Which means the iPhone 18 Pro could end up being more of a small upgrade. Better chip, better camera quality, maybe better battery life, but visually it might look almost the same as the iPhone 17 Pro. And if you think about Apple's history, this is nothing new. Apple loves slow changes. They take one step at a time, they focus on polishing instead of rushing. They would rather wait an extra year than release something that doesn't work perfectly. Under-display cameras, for example, still struggle with image quality. Selfies look worse, video quality drops, and Apple is very picky about that stuff. If the camera doesn't meet their standards, they just won't ship it. Simple as that. Now, one important thing to remember, this is still very early. These phones are not even close to mass production yet. Once Apple starts working closely with factories and suppliers, more solid info usually leaks out. Plans can change, designs can change, Apple could still surprise us. But right now, based on what we're hearing, the iPhone 18 Pro sounds like another safe iPhone, a phone that improves things quietly instead of screaming for attention. Some people will be fine with that. If you upgrade every year, you probably care more about performance, battery, and camera improvements than how the phone looks. But for people who are holding on to older iPhones and waiting for that big redesign moment, this might feel a bit boring. And that's kind of the big question here. Is Apple playing it too safe, or are they just being smart and saving the real magic for 2027? Because let's be honest, when Apple does big redesigns, they usually want them to feel special. They want headlines. They want people to say, okay, this is different. Doing that on the 20th anniversary just feels right. So for now, the story is simple. Don't expect a major design change on the iPhone 18 Pro. Expect small upgrades, familiar looks, and Apple doing what Apple always does. But keep your eyes on 2027. That's where things could get really interesting.